people. Today we're going to work with a couple of inequalities. Okay, let's do some math. Based on the graphs of function f and g shown, for which values of x between -3 and 3 is f of x greater than or equal to g of x? So I apologize for the shaky drawing there. I'm not very good at it, but we have a parabola, which is y equals f of x. And then we also have a line, y equals g of x, that goes through there. They give you this drawing, which looks better than mine, and they intersect at the point x equals -2 and y equals 0. And they give you the point 1, 6, which you can see up there when x is 1 and y is 6, which also intersects both graphs. And then g of x, which is the parabola, goes through 3, +3. Okay, but they're only looking for which values of x between -3 and 3 is f of x larger than g of x. And if you look on the graph, it's between -2 and 1, where that parabola goes to the above the line y equals g of x. So let me color that in for you. There it is. And let's look at each possibility. So number 1, is that true? -2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1, which means is -2 is x between -2 and 1. Is that larger than f of x? And yes, it is, because that's colored in between -2 and 1. And also between 0 and +1, the graph is also larger than g of x. So f of x is larger than g of x and equal to. And look at the third one, between 1 and 3, that graph is below the line y equals g of x. So that's not true. So the answer is D.